how big? I mean, how big do you think the whole solar industry is going to get at some point? You know, I still see this as very small, kind of very niche. I would love to see here in the United States kind of you know, the what the Germans did with their FITS program, that type of thing. But it doesn't seem the utilities have any appetite, with the exception maybe of you know, the people down in Gainesville, Florida, and maybe a couple other utilities out of Ontario Power, for example, up in Canada, have any kind of appetite for doing a program that would accelerate the incentives for people to actually put in solar. What do you sense is kind of the mood within either the state there in California or on a national level to really get serious about you know, putting solar on, you know, a million roofs type of thing, which is what the Obama administration has been calling for?
Mm-hmm. I think it's just a matter of time. As far as the FIT program goes, we saw the good and the bad. The good part is it really kicked off the solar industry in a lot of the European countries. We also saw the same case in Canada now, and Japan is rolling out a feed-in tariff program as we speak. So I think it's probably one of the most immediate ways to promote solar industry. We've seen that all over the world. However, there is also a downside to it. You know, feed-in tariff, the government can always cut back on the feed-in tariff. Yeah. Now, for every kilowatt hour that I produce, I can sell it for, say, 35 cents, but maybe after a year, all of a sudden the government say, hey, right now we'll only buy these for 20 cents. Yeah. So that really affects our payback. You're really not locked in there. In the US, we have what we call the net metering. Basically, the utility has to give you the same amount of credit as how much you would pay to buy electricity from them. When you feed the electricity
that's if you're in a state that has retail net metering. If you're in my state, for example, it's wholesale and below net metering that you get paid.
Right.
So, you know, they figure they can produce it at 2 cents a kilowatt. That's what they're going to buy it from you at, which, of course, if it's costing you 15 to 18 cents to put a system in, you know, there's huge price difference there. But
right. So on the other side that you look at it, right now, first of all, we also have the 30% that we spoke about, the tax credit. But after all, I mean, it is a cleaner source of energy.
Yep.
Where you're from, you guys get a lot of coal out there,
yes,
but
yes.
You know, we all understand the environmental impact we get from burning coal fuel.
Yeah.
So in the long run, you know, coal price will eventually, energy price go up a percentage every single year. But once you have a solar system on your roof, it becomes a fixed cost for your household or for your business, and that's very important. A lot of people recognize that.
Yeah.
Hey, for example, I'm a business owner, and today, if I can lock in my electricity, my utility spending at a certain price that I can budget into my budget for the next 25 years,
yeah,
I would do that.
Yeah. So, do you have solar?
Yes, we have solar. Perhaps right now, we're in the process of, we just bought a new building. We're moving in there this week. We're very excited about it.
Oh,
and then right now, we're going to have 4 different kinds of solar system on our rooftop. So
4 different kinds. So what do you mean by that? You're going to have, what, different size collectors or different types of solar technology?
The same kind of solar panels.
Okay.
Different size, yes.
Okay.
And different kinds of inverters. They're the inverters, the standard inverter with the optimizer, and then there's 2 different kinds of microinverter that we're working with.
Okay.
So it'd be real interesting for us to really see a difference and how much it affects the production.
Yeah, it's going to be a test bed for you then. Great.
Yes.
Hey, well, if you're a small businessman or you're a contractor or somebody looking to become a distributor, how do they find out more about what ecoSOLARGY is doing?
First thing you want to do is come visit our website. It's www.ecosolargy.com.
Okay.
It has a lot of information on our product, on who ecoSOLARGY is, and how to become a dealer.
Okay, great. Hey, well, thank you so much for taking the time, Alan, and sharing this information with us, and hopefully it'll generate some more business for you.
My pleasure. Thank you very much, Bill.
Okay.
Thanks for your time.
All right, you bet.
Take care.
Okay, bye-bye.